Special Meat Spice Blend Recipe. Are you ready to take your meat dishes to the next level? Let's dive into a special spice blend that's about to change your culinary game. Gather these powerful ingredients: turmeric, coriander, and the aromatic garlic powder, just to name a few. Each spice brings its own magic. Let's break down exactly what you need for this blend. You'll need 350 grams of turmeric, 300 grams of coriander seeds, and 50 grams each of black and green cumin. Don't forget the fenugreek seeds and garlic powder. These add depth and mouth-watering flavor. Continue with onion powder, dried ginger, and those fragrant dried bay leaves. Next up, cinnamon, nutmeg root, and of course, cloves. These spices truly are the icing on the cake. Now let's spice it up with black and green cardamom, paprika, and dried tomato powder. And don't forget powdered sugar, salt, and citric acid to bring the perfect balance. Now that you have your ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Ready? Start by grinding each ingredient separately until they are finely powdered. You want that aromatic kick. Once all your spices are ground, it's time to combine them in a large mixing bowl. Mix thoroughly until everything is beautifully blended. You'll love the aroma that fills your kitchen. Now for the final step. Store your spice mix in an airtight container. Keep it in a cool, dry place, out of sunlight. This blend deserves the best treatment. What can you use this blend for? Let me tell you, the possibilities are endless. From stews and kebabs to delicious ground meat dishes, this mix will elevate your meals. And let's not forget broths and biryani. Your taste buds are in for a treat. So, what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and embrace the spice love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Your next meal is just a spice blend away.